Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing these pocket style fender flares on this 2016 F-150. So we've had a lot of rainy weather lately, so the truck's a little dirty, so I'll wipe it all down here where the pocket flare is going to be going, and then from there we'll continue from there. Alright, so this is the pocket flare we'll be installing. It's a rough country pocket style fender flare. It's got the chrome rivets on there, and you need these two little clips and all your existing hardware to be able to install it correctly. So two sockets I'm using are a 7/32 and a it's like a 9/32 on using this Milwaukee 1/4-inch drive ratchet. All right, so the reason I'm making this video is because when I went to look at what was all needed to install it, you know, the instructions that come with it aren't very good. Pictures are blurry, you really can't see what they're doing, so I decided maybe this video will shed some light on any questions that anyone might have. So because I had questions and I couldn't find the answers on the internet. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully this helps. So if you look here, you have these two bolts right here. They're gonna have to come off, and then there's 3 underneath. You don't got to remove all 3. You only have to remove 2. You have to remove one that's right there and one that's right there, and then you come down here and you move one that's right here at the front. There's one right there, and you do not have to remove that one. So that's one thing that the instructions weren't very clear on. So this one here you do not have to remove, so don't worry about that one. So once I remove all these, we'll continue. All right, so we got those screws removed down here. You only have to remove this one right here. You do not have to remove that one. So we have one, 2, 3 removed right there. This one in place. You do not have to remove that one, and then just remove 1 and 2 right there. Now let's line up that fender flare, see what it looks like. Super clear on this. All right, here's another thing. It comes with these clips here, and those are used to help fasten the flare to the clip. So you very easily put it in right there up to that hole where you took that screw out. So that's simple as that. Clips onto the fender flare and then clips on there. And I'm putting everything on very loosely. I don't want to put it tight. I want to wait till everything's in place, line it up, and then we'll tighten everything down. So there it is, fully installed. Looks pretty good. Curves line up pretty good. Remember, these are an entry level fender flare. They're not the best out there, but they're good. Everything lines up pretty good. No major gaps, so it looks all right. There you can see the screws tightened in there. There's that first clip tightened in there. There's that second clip tightened in there. And then just that one screw there. You don't have to remove that second one over there. So let's move on to the rear. The rear flares are much easier to install. There's no screws at all to secure them to the vehicle. All they use is these little clips right here that'll clip to the fender, the deck side, and go into these slots. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll line it up and we'll put the clips in, and we'll be done with this installation. All right, so we're gonna put this clip in this slot right here, and show you how it's done. So you got to make sure that this little indentation is out towards the flare itself. So we're gonna go in there, and then you just slide them in. They're a little tough, but not too bad. And you'll hear them clip when it's in. It's tough to do with one hand, but we'll get it. There you go. You hear that snap? Now they're in. It actually pulls it in nice and tight. So just repeat that on the other clip that you see going around, and you'll be done. All right, guys. So there you have it. Fender flares are installed. Look pretty good. Again, for being an entry-level install, entry-level flare, they look pretty good. Only time will tell how durable they are. But overall, I'm pleased with it. Looks good. Hope this video helps. If it does help, please subscribe, and we'll continue with other videos. Have a good day, guys.